opportunities in each and every day. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. A very pleasant morning to all. I, Angel, along with my class 5th G, welcome you all to the annual function of our class on the topic Good Manners. So now join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for Hindi prayer. What's right? Amen. Amen. Good behavior doesn't have any monetary value, but it has the power to purchase million hearts. I repeat my thought. Good behavior doesn't have any monetary value, but it has the power to purchase million hearts. Thank you. News is necessary to know how the whole world is changing. Now it's time to update us with the latest happenings around the world. Now it's time for international news. California cleans up after a powerful storm drenches state. Now it's time for national news. Gurugram students and parents want reopening of schools which were closed due to pollution.
Sports news. India draw 2-2 with South Korea in openers at Asian Champions Trophy.
Weather news. Minimum temperature will be 9 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature will be 22 degrees Celsius. Poetry helps the students to be actively involved in learning. Now our class is going to recite an English poem. Good manners are like flowers. They have some magical powers. Please, sorry, thanks are like money in the bank. Don't forget the magic words. Use the manners everywhere. strong enough to break a heart. Great men discuss ideas, average men discuss events, and small men discuss people. So now it's time for a group discussion to extend the topic further. Open the closed doors. Bad manners close the open doors. Manners are the proper or polite way to behave in public. A person with good manners shows respect towards the feelings and emotions of others around him or her. We are taught good manners by our parents, teachers, and our elders to make us a good personality. Good manners which enable us to be better human beings. Good manners are essential to generate a livable and healthy society. Now some students of our class are going to tell about some good manners.
We should use these 5 golden words. Please, sorry, thank you, excuse me, and may I. We should always say thank you to show gratitude towards others.
If we commit any mistake, we should say sorry and apologize immediately. We should say please when we want to request something to be given by someone.
We should say excuse me when we need to interrupt a conversation. We should say may I for taking permission from our elders, superiors or peers. We should always respect our elders and teachers. We should always take permission to use and touch things of others. We should always share our things with others. Sharing is a basic way to show consideration for the needs and feelings of others. We should always help others in need, which is a good manner. We should use good table manners while eating. We should always cover our mouth while yawning and sneezing. We should talk politely and softly with our friends and elders. We should sit attentively in the classroom and listen carefully to our teacher.
We should greet and wish others nicely, which makes a good impression when we meet someone.
Good manners are needed everywhere, whether we are in the school, college, office, train, hotel, playground or home. Always maintain a polite appearance and be a good mannered person.
Acting is not being emotional. Acting is being able to express emotions. Coming on stage are the actors of our class to showcase before you an inspirational skit. This is a scene of a classroom. 2 boys named Vaibhav and Daksh are classmates. Both the boys are very intelligent, but Vaibhav is a good-mannered boy, while Daksh is ill-mannered. Scene 1.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, students. Sit down. Students, have you completed your homework? Please show me your notebook. Very good. Very good, child. Well done, Daksh. Ma'am, please check my notebook. Vaibhav, your handwriting is very good and you have covered your notebook very nicely. Thank you, ma'am. Rahul, please show me your notebook.
Ma'am, I was on leave for 2-3 days due to fever, so I have not completed my work.
Okay, Rahul. I help Rahul in completing his pending work. I love to help others. Yes, Vaibhav, you may help him. Fine, ma'am. Dear students, those who are having their previous year's books and those who want to donate them, please tell me. Ma'am, I am having my old books and I am ready to donate them because I know sharing is a good habit. Well done, Vaibhav. Dear students, you should have the habit of donation of your things, which is helpful for others.
The class are playing in the playground and Rohan gets hurt.
What happened, Rohan? I hurt my leg. I am not able to stand. Please help me.
Vaibhav is unable to lift him, so he calls Daksh to help him in standing.
Daksh, please help me. He is not able to stand. We should take him to the medical room.
No, I want to play.
Vaibhav calls Rahul to take Rohan to the medical room.
Rahul, please help me.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Take your seat. Dear students, today I want to tell you the name of the head boy of this class. I have been observing you all for some days and I found that Vaibhav has all the qualities to become the head boy of the class. Vaibhav, please come here. I will pin you the badge of a head boy.
The teacher gives him the badge of the head boy, and all the students start clapping. But Daksh doesn't like it and becomes very sad.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
The library period starts, and all the students of the class go to the library, but Daksh doesn't. He feels sad and sits alone in the class.
What happened, Daksh? Why are you looking sad?
Ma'am, I am also very good in academics and sports. Like Vaibhav, then why you make him the head boy and not me?
Look, my child, I know you are very good in academics and sports as well, but being good in academics and sports is not enough to earn the badge of a head boy. A child must have good manners to be a good human being. These are important for being a leader and role model for others.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I realize my mistake. I understood that good manners play an important part in building our character. I promise you that now onwards I will become a well-mannered boy with good etiquettes.
Very good, Daksh.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, my dear friends, I hope you have all understood that good manners play a vital role in each and everyone's life to make the society worth living.
Thank
you.
There is no better way to express happiness than to dance. So turn up the volume, close your eyes and let the music take over your soul.
Parvati
Now it's time for an English song.
I have a dream, a song to sing, to help me cope with anything. If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can take the future, even if you fail. I believe in angels when I know the time is right for me. I cross the street. I have a dream. I have a dream, a song to sing, a song to sing, a song to sing. Thank you.
Now few students of our class will present a melodious Hindi song.
वो बच्चे दुनिया में खुश नसीब होते हैं, जो मम्मी डैडी के करीब होते हैं। मुझे माफ करना ओम साईं राम, मुझे माफ करना ओम साईं राम, मुझे माफ करना ओम साईं राम। तुझसे पहले लेंगे मम्मी डैडी का नाम, तुझसे पहले लेंगे मम्मी डैडी का नाम। मम्मी डैडी का प्यार नहीं मिलता, खुशियों का संसार नहीं मिलता। कभी भी हमें ना यूं मजबूर करना, मम्मी डैडी से ना हमें दूर करना। हम तो बड़े होते हैं इनकी उंगली थाम, मुझे माफ करना ओम साईं राम, मुझे माफ करना ओम साईं राम, मुझे माफ करना ओम साईं राम। तुझसे पहले लेंगे मम्मी डैडी का नाम, तुझसे पहले लेंगे मम्मी डैडी का नाम।
Life without happiness is like a guitar with no string. Hence, an instrumental performance by Himakshi.
ओरी चिड़िया नन्ही सी चिड़िया, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। ओरी चिड़िया नन्ही सी चिड़िया, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। अंधियारा
mistake, what should we say? Right answer is I am sorry. When we receive the gift from someone, what should we say? The right answer is thank you. When we ask for something, what should we say? The right answer is excuse me. Who is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan? The correct answer is Mr. Ashok Gehlot.
Teamwork is super important when you are involved in dancing. Dancing teaches us to push ourselves. So enjoy the group dance performed by the students of my